This is the place where we can fix the bicycle, and it is free of cost. You know, just hang your bicycle here, and you have this many options to do air pump and all, and there is a pedal which you need to press, and there is a meter. So basically what you have to do, you just have to you just have to pick up one of the option of that air pump, and here just fit your in your tire and lock it, and then press. So you can hear this sound, and yeah, here the change is the meter. So it's quite, you know, handy. And this is a washing place where I can wash my bicycle. So many options are here. That I will do next time. So that's quite. Tell me, how do you find it? I think that's the first time I am using. Know how to use it. Yeah. Thank you.